previous session we discussed about how we are going to evaluate the postfix expression. Now I am going to explain how we are going to evaluate the postfix expression with one more example. Here my example is 256 plus star 2 dollar 4 and divide symbol. Here in sometimes we are going to take this dollar symbol as a power symbol, power of 2, power of 3. For example, this one $2 2, $2 3, it means that this is 2 cube that is 8, right here. Now we have to evaluate this postfix expression. Before going to evaluate any postfix expression, just I would recall how we are going to evaluate this postfix expression. Whenever we are going to evaluate any postfix expression, we are going to use this stacks, right. Here, evaluation of postfix expression is the application of stack 256 plus star 256 plus star $2 $4 divide symbol. This is my postfix expression. Now I am going to evaluating this postfix expression, right. Whenever we are going to evaluate the postfix expression, we have to use the operator precedence rule. What is the operator precedence rule? Here we have to evaluate the highest operator first. We have to evaluate the highest operators first. Your highest precedence operators are, first one is the dollar and cap symbol, both are same, both are having the equal priority. Next highest priority operators are star, divide, percentile. These are the next highest priority operators. Next highest priority operators, next priority operators are plus and minus. Here star, divide, percentile, these three are having the equal priority, plus and minus are having the equal priority, dollar and cap symbol are having the equal priority. While we are going to evaluate any postfix expression, we are going to evaluating the expression from left to right, from left to right. From here, from left to right. Here apart from this, here left and right parenthesis, the expression which is present in left and right parenthesis, we have to evaluate that expression first, right. Here for example, in my expression star and divide, here for example 2 star, sorry, star 3 divided by 4 is there. Here in this case star and divide both are having the equal priority, but here in this case here star is occurring first, star is occurring first, that's the reason star is having the highest priority than divide, star is having the highest priority than divide. So first we have to evaluate this star. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 divided by 4, that is 1. If we are going to take integer 1.2 or 1.3, here my answer is 1.5, right. If 2 divided by 4 star 3, in this case this here first divide symbol is occurring, then star. So here first we have to evaluate this divide symbol, then we have to evaluate this star. 2 divided by 4 is 0.5, 0.5 into 3, that is 1.5, right. Here 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. So depending upon the occurrence of the operators, we are going to assigning the priority. Here priorities are going to assigned by operator precedence rule. Here now I am going to evaluate this postfix expression by using this stack. First is here stack expression, next is the stack content, stack content. And here first we have to evaluate this expression from left to right, first we have to evaluate the expression from left to right. So my first token is 2, whether 2 is an operator or operand, 2 is an operand. So whenever any operand is occur, we have to push into this stack. So, I am going to push into this stack. Now, my stack is consisting of this 2. We are going to push into this stack. Whenever the operator is going to occur, we have to delete top 2 elements from the stack, then we have to perform the operation. Top 2 elements from the stack, then we have to perform the operations. If any operator is going to be occur. Here next scanning symbol is 5. So, 5 is an operand. So, we have to push into the stack. So, 5. Next symbol is 6. Next scanning symbol is 6. 6 is checked. 6 is operator or operand. 6 is an operand. So, we have to push into this stack. 2, 5, 6. So, 2, 5, 6. Right. Next symbol is plus. Plus is operator or operand. Plus is an operator. So, we have to delete top 2 elements from the stack. We have to delete top 2 elements. What is the first top 2? First element is 6. So, here my OP1 is 6. Then OP2 is 5. First top 2 elements I am going to deleting first top 2 elements, then I am going to performing the operation. I am going to performing the operation. Here what is my operation? Plus. So, OP2 plus OP1, OP2 plus OP1, 5 plus 6, that is 11. Answer is going to push into this stack. So I am going to deleting this 6, right, then 5. So, we have to push this 11 into this stack. Now, stack is consisting of 2 and 11. Stack is consisting of 2 and 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11 only. 2 comma 11. Now, then what is the next symbol? Star is there. So, star is an operator or operand. We have to check whether the star is an operator or operand. Star is an operator. So, we have to delete top 2 elements. So, here my first element is OP1. OP1 is 11. My second element is OP2. OP2 is 2. Then we have to perform the operations. OP1 into OP2, OP1 into OP2, 11 into 2, that is 22. So, answer is going to push into this stack. Now, stack is consisting of only 22. We have to delete these 2 elements now. Now, stack is consisting of 22, right. Next is 2 symbol, 2. So, we have to push into this stack, 2. Next is dollar. Dollar is an operator. So, we have to delete top 2 elements. We have to delete top 2 elements. So, OP1. What is my OP1? OP1 is 2. What is OP2? OP2 is 22. So, we have to perform the operation and OP2 dollar OP1. What is OP2? 22. 22 dollar 2, that is 22 whole square. 22 whole square means 484. Answer is going to push into this stack. See here, I missed this one. This is OP2 into OP1. We have to perform the operations on OP2 and OP1. OP2 and OP1. So, here 484. Answer is going to push into this stack. Now, stack is here. Already 2 and 44 both are deleted. Now, stack is consisting of 484, right, 484. Next symbol is 4. So, 4 is an operator or operand. 4 is an operand. So, we have to push into this stack. So, we are going to push into this stack 4. Next is the divide symbol, divide. Divide is an operator. So, we have to delete top 2 elements. First element is OP1, OP1 is 4. Second element is OP2, OP2 is 484. So, we have to perform the operation on OP2 and OP1. OP2 divided by OP1, that is 484 divided by 4, that is 121. Here answer is going to push into this stack, that is 121. Now, these 2 are completed. Now, here is there any expression is there? So, expression is completed. So, we have to stop the process. We have to pop the last element which is present in this stack. Here which element is presenting in this stack? That is 121. So, we have to pop this element 121 from this stack. Then this is the answer for the evaluation for that given expression. So, here for this one, this is answer is 1 to 1. Answer is 1 to 1. Evaluation, this is the evaluation of postfix expression. Here I repeat, first we have to evaluate the expression from left to right, then we have to follow the operator precedence rule. Next is here whenever any operand is occur, we have to push into this stack. If any operator is going to occur, we have to delete top 2 elements of this stack. First element is operator 1, second element is operator 2, then we have to perform the operation on operand 2 and operand 1. Right? Thank you.